Hi everybody, Toby Milroy here again, Vice President for AMS, and let's take a quick look at the Atlas Pro Shop and Point of Sale module. And this is designed to help you maximize your retail sales in your martial arts school. So first of all, let's start with our setup. If we go over here to the left-hand navigation and pop down Pro Shop, you'll see that we have the Point of Sale module, items, vendors, and purchase orders. Let's first take a look at our items list. These are all the items that I have currently set up in my system. And these are sorted by vendor, purchase price, sales price, quantity I have on hand. The Atlas Martial Arts Software inventory control management system will track and report on inventory on hand and reorder quantities. So if I go to, for example, this item, this is a Boast, here's some staff t-shirts, for example. If I edit that item and I look at what that item is all about, I can see that I have my current quantity on hand, and I can also set a reorder level. So when my quantity gets down to 10 items on hand, I'll be able to run a report, and it'll say, hey, listen, this item is now below its reorder threshold. Go ahead and generate a purchase order and go ahead and order these items again, right? So that's what the item setup is all about. You can kind of set up your items inside the system and then set those reorder quantities so you can easily track inventory and be able to have enough inventory on hand that you're not running out, but not so much that you're sitting on a lot of inventory and capital tied up in that inventory. Also, obviously, in our vendor section, you're setting up all your vendors. If you order uniforms from Vision or whatever the case might be, you can set up your vendors in here, and that'll simplify the process of creating purchase orders. It'll use all this vendor information to be able to set up your purchase orders for you when it's time to reorder. And let's take a look at the purchase orders. This is, again, when perhaps an inventory quantity gets low enough, or if you decide that you need to order belts or you need to order uniforms or whatever the case might be, you can quickly create a new purchase order, select the vendor that you're ordering that from, and then let's do one that has a few more items in it. And then you can pretty quickly just add these items and the quantities just by ticking them to your order, hit save. You can then print off this purchase order, send it to your vendor, and it'll manage checking that order back in when the order comes back from the vendor, even if it's only a partial order, and you'll be able to control all of your inventory that way very simply. And then let's go out to the point of sale system. So once I have my items set up and my vendor set up, now when a staff member needs to create a retail sale, if someone is buying a uniform or they want to buy a pair of gloves or a mouthpiece or whatever the case might be, I just pop over here to my point of sale system. It's going to give me sort of a very simple and intuitive touch-based point of sale system. If you're on a touch-enabled device, you can just touch this with your finger. I happen to be on a PC, so I'll just use a mouse. But so let's say, for example, I go to my patches, and I have 2 demo team patches. Let's say 4 demo team patches, a master patch. Let's go back to uniforms, and I'm gonna size 3 demo uniform. Let's do a couple of those in the purchase as well. And then in my point of sale module over here, I have control over these items. So I can add a discount if I want to. I can change the price. I can discount by a percentage. I can discount by the total number. I can add tax 1 or tax 2, whichever taxes you like. You have infinite control over how you want to set these up. I can also give them a discount on the actual amount of the total of the order. I can give them a discount at the item level, whatever you want. So it's very robust so far as managing those items. And then I can go to checkout, and I can process that. I can also still select the student that's making that order, and then I can check out, and I can get that sale complete. So that's the Atlas Martial Arts Software point of sale overview and inventory control management system. I believe you'll find this very intuitive, very simple, and very robust. So you're always on top of what's happening in your school, especially helping you maximize those retail sales. So hope that's useful for you. So, I really don't want you to take my word for it. I believe that Atlas Martial Arts Software is really going to save you some time and really going to help you make more money, create more new students, and really focus on what's most important in your school. But again, I don't want you to take my word for it. You really had to see this for yourself. So I'm willing and happy to sort of shamelessly bribe you to take a look at Atlas Martial Arts software. See what it's all about. See if it's something that you believe can really help you grow your school. I'm absolutely certain and convinced that not only will it help you save a ton of time, but it's really going to help you find opportunity in your school. It's really going to help you identify the gaps that you might be having in your school right now that you just can't quite see. It's also going to help you solve those gaps. So what I'd recommend is that you scroll down on this page or click the blue button and request a free demonstration of Atlas Martial Arts software. In addition to taking a look at Atlas Martial Arts software, I'm going to send you 6 more free gifts. Number one is I'm going to send you 3 free videos. Number one, I'm going to send you the 7 keys to breakthrough performance in your martial arts school. This is a recording of a very high-level presentation with multi-million-dollar-a-year schools in attendance that I really think you're going to benefit from, and I really think that will help you take a look at your school in a new way and give you the ability to see where your school has the most growth opportunity and potential and really help maximize that. So I'll send you those 3 videos absolutely free. I'll also send you 3 free reports. Report number 1 is called the Ultimate Martial Arts Management System. This has helped hundreds of school operators all over the country take a look at the internal systems that are running in their school and learning how to find gaps and optimize those systems so that your school can run, whether you're physically in the location or not, but that can run on a systematic, replicatable basis. So I think that you really enjoy that. So I really hope that you'll do that. I hope that you'll request those 7 free gifts, a free demonstration of Atlas Martial Arts software. One of my team members here in Florida will take you through the application, answer any questions that you might have. And at the same time, they're going to give you some real clear insight into the current level of performance of your school and where there might be areas of opportunity that we can help you immediately build and grow your current location. And also these other 6 free bonuses. So please scroll down the page, click the blue button, request those free resources. I'll get those out to you right away. Take a look at Atlas Martial Arts software and let us know if you think this is something that can really help you grow your school. So I hope you'll do that. Take me up on that offer, and I'll speak to you really soon.